Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, I'm an ancient high priest. I'm onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Anyị na-ejikwazị ihe dịka chisikie wee na-agwọ ọrịa. Ọ bụrụ na n'ịchọrọ isonye na I keep telling people about our administration. Isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa tata bụ let your food be your medicine. Ka ihe ị na-eri n'ọnụ bụrụ ọgwụ wee nye gị. I can tell you na Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile ka o kechara mmadụ niile nọ n'elu ụwa dum. In his own wisdom, o kekwara afịfịa na ọgwụ mmadụ ga-eji wee na-eri wee na-adị ndụ. Have you asked yourself, the elephants, the lions, and other creatures then wallowing around in the forest, who is a medical doctor? I can tell you without missing words that tortoise, mbe, can live up to 200 years. Kedu na ọgwụ ọ na-eje ya na-anata medication ozugbo na ma ya fọzie mma nke ndụ Chukwu okike kere anyị dịka Bible si wee kwu na his image and likeness. Kedu ka o si wee dịzie anyị na Chukwu okike nwere provision for our existence and well-being. Ihe ndị a ka anyị ga-eneba anya ịfụnanya Chukwu. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are still in the new month of May. Our monthly ritual have started. You can still join us anywhere you are, all over the world. Distance is not a barrier in all we do in the temple. N'isi ụtụtụ eji God na temple chụọ aja gụọ ọfọ kwubie okwu kpee ekpere n'isi ndị niile sonyela all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, members of Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group, to keep doing this way to the last day of the month. I require the temple chụọ aja gụọ ọfọ kwubie okwu isi ha dum. So I wouldn't be interested this way. Like he gave me a chat him na WhatsApp before your token donation. You place your prayer request before the altar. To judge and now go for the Sudan on one. But see by on why she got here from this way and I never get what you know in Scotia. Now I wasn't interested. Nine screen take up number. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Now let's proceed. What I'm about to tell you today about let your food be your medicine. To a course where they from Ukuma. Makandiga say, Ole God and Apple one song. Eze-Ana na book of Genesis. Ebe akụwara gbasara Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. N'ọ gwara ha ọrụ ta mkpụrụ osisi niile dị ebe a. Wee gwa ha this particular one na-ata na ya. Gịnị ka ọ na-achọ ịkọwara anyị? Na be from creation, human being dey live by fruits and vegetables. Ọ ihe ahụ anyị chọrọ. It will interest you to know that our body has like 3.2 trillion cells, although it depends on the body size. But I can tell you now, this the cells, the tissues form the cells, cells form the organ, and organ form the entire body. And those tissues and cells then are each and every organ. Once that particular cells and tissues they were weak, definitely the organ got weak. And the organ the weak, the body are the weak. Only about the mother is sick. So I can tell you now, about the human being, we don't live a good life style, eat well, good meal, and they also rest well. Do everything in moderation. Man has ability to live longer and always and understand how things work, always be happy. Make sure that you throw away anything that will always put you under tension because it's not good for your well-being. All these things fall within the lifestyle of man. Man is the architect of his own problem. Let me tell you, this orthodox medicine we are talking about, in Nigeria, I can tell you, we were told, the amalgamation of colonial masters was done 1914. Years later, many years later, missionary followed them, and development comes, medical comes. I can tell you without missing words that orthodox medicine is still less than 200 years in Nigeria. But let me ask you a question. You that always looking down on nature, before 200 years ago and beyond, what do you think our forefathers lives on? And that is a question for you to answer. Okay. You heard about story of Moses, Abraham, rest of them, pharaohs. During their reign, there was nothing like orthodox medicine. So what are they feeding on? And they live longer, stronger, healthier. You know why? They made food their medicine. Everything is not spiritual. Some people are sick today because of their lifestyle. Some children are born with deficiency because when their mother was pregnant, they refused out of their own ignorance to do one or two, or to eat healthy foods, or to sleep well, or to do one or two that is necessary, and it affected those features development while they're still in the womb. Yes. I can tell you no more to 2 months today that have challenges because of maybe medication, maybe their mother, pregnant mother, took the wrong medication. Ụfọdụ nwere ike, they are not resting enough during the formative stage of the baby in the womb. And who is to be blamed? The mother, because of lack of ignorance. Because ignorance is not a spirituality. Do you know no more some parents out of their own opportunity and think ma nke nwoke who AS, nke nwanyị who AS, and they were properly warned that this is going to bring disaster, calamity. And they said, I love. What is love? Love, if you don't understand how things work, you're talking about love. Now, they said they will love themselves. Today, they got married. And when the calamity set in, they gave birth to the children of these seculars. To cut the whole story short, their marriage is a shambles today. This is self-made. That is disaster that somebody brought upon himself or herself. I don't know what you are passing through. Sometimes because you are addicted to a certain lifestyle, some people are too addicted to smoking. The danger they are in. You go. What of other people that have been smoking? Self will stay that cheer boot. Only I smoke. nwere ike ọ na-eme proper cleansing thereafter. Mana gị nwa na onwe gị ị na-eme but ị mụrụ na na-enwe detoxification teas ọ na-eme nke in moderation. Gị nwa na onwe gị na-eme nke in excess. Despite the fact that government will still put tobaccos are liable to lie young. Watch it. Ụfọdụ ya esi na that smoking tobacco banye n'Igbo banye na ndị ka ya njọ. Ebezi onye ada mejisi cells dị n'ime ahụ ya ọsịnọ spiritual ọsịnọ mmụọ na-eme ya ọsịnọ ndị mmiri. Onye a metaje ya masị ahụ as a result because ihe ọda nwere action nwere inaction equal reaction. Ọ ya masị ahụ ọsịzie nọ ọnkụ ya na-eme ya ma ọ bụghị ndị mmiri ma ọ bụghị ndị amụsụ mana onye nwa bụ onye butere onwe ya ya bụ nsogbu. Gịnị ka m na-ekwu maka ya? Ihe m na-ekwu maka ya bụ let your food be your medicine. O nwere ihe ndị ọzọ ị nwere ike ị na-eri to strengthen your immune system. O nwere ihe ị ga na-eri to balance the mineral and vitamins in your body. When you are still under 30, the body is still releasing what is called glutamine that nourishes the cells and organs, tissues in the body. It's a natural thing. But once you are above 30, it stops. Therefore, age set in. So what are you doing in order to make sure you eat those things that will help to nourish your cells and organs in order for you to slow aging? Some of you that are eating, you are not even eating right. Some are eating junks, clapping, and then they eat barbecue, and then they eat shawarma, and some of those things, pizza. You think that they need to enjoy your body while you are killing yourself. So when was the last time you eat organic foods? One of my friends that lives in the UK told me that if you go to their food stock market, they have what is called organic foods, very expensive. Then they have other food they are called GMO foods, those chemical generated foods, very cheap. But organic food is healthier because no chemical was added. During the time of our fathers, people are asking why our fathers live long. They lick mango. Mango is organic. There's no need for you to put fertilizer around mango, orange, all those natural things. If they want to cook soup, they cook food soup every day. You don't know. Vegetables, they go to their garden, harvest all those things, make food today, tomorrow they cook another. But nowadays, people thinking that they're making rich man, sometimes they will cook soup and keep it in the fridge for 1 month, 2 weeks. They have lost everything. So we are the cause of our problem. I understand some people will give you as economic reality, that is the cause. Further will tell you that because they are making this every day. Then do you know that these people that are farmers, they are adding fertilizers in order to make more gain, to get more yield. But that chemicals that are adding to those foods are dangerous to the consumer. Do you know that those chemicals they added will help them make more profit, but dangerous to you, the consumer? Then because of population, they want to be putting fertilizer so that they will be cultivating one particular land year in, year out. Because all in this, he cultivate this portion of land, next year, 2 years, he will not cultivate another place so that this land will gain strength and nutrients and manure. But now they will force the land by putting fertilizer. You should go to market, you see those who go that their leaves is too wide. It's fertilizer. Haven't you noticed that yam, if you bought yam now keep, within 2 weeks, you have started rotting? But olden days, yam will stay the next year farming season. So those chemicals are the way you spoil yam is the way you spoil your organs in your body. Because when you eat those food, chemicalized food, it digests, and the end, those preservatives and the chemicals will end rest on your cells and tissues, weaken them. Example: if you see people that have kidney problem, in layman language, it simply means that the kidney organs and cells is weak. Therefore, the kidney will not be able to function well. That is the fact that the kidney is down, overload.